So there's been a couple of people asking about the standard toolkit that comes on the Transalp, and I just thought I'd show you what it is, because some guys don't have it, and what other tools I take with me. So under the seat, of course, here, got a canvas bag with some stuff in it, and here's a toolkit here, and in there is the owner's manual, Velcro there. You can see there's actually obviously a big space in there, and a tool room in there, which is a bit difficult to come out, but so I'll just put the camera down and get the toolkit out. So that's the original toolkit. So let's get that out to start with. So yeah, it's not the greatest of toolkits, to be honest. The only real bit that you really need is the well, you have a 24 for the rear axle, and then of course you have an extender there, which a pinch you could use. You have 17 for the front axle, which again, and a pinch you could use. Probably the most important thing is the plug spanner. 12. You could use this or this plug spanner. Plug spanner is important because if you're making up a kit, this is the only thing that you really have to get. I believe you can get them on eBay. It's particularly long, and it's shaped for the plugs, obviously, because the 4 plugs in the Transalp, it can be kind of tricky. So you can see it's got the rubber bit in it, and it holds the plug really well. You'd be struggling to get your plugs changed without this spanner. Spanners are really cheap and nasty, really, to be honest, but pliers, they're pretty crap. You have some yeah, this is not the best. I don't think I've ever used them. So I'll show you what else that I have on my bike. So let me just clear this inside. First thing in the stash is just a mountain bike pipe pump. Mostly just for topping up the tires, really. This is my I think it's Cougar tool roll. So what do we have here? We have a couple of screwdrivers, Phillips type flat blade. We have a driver that's a quarter inch drive. We have a bag of various screws and stuff. We have some nice spanners. We've got a 10, an 8, 10, 14, 12, 13. So we have a bit set. We have some Allen wrenches, spoke key. That bag needs a new bag. I'll deal with that later. We have a C-clamp in the pocket, some shrink tubing. What's that? That is some shrink tube, some instant weld, some fuses, and that's all there is in there. So I intentionally slimmed that down so it can fit under the seat. Okay, and I'm gonna make sure that's tight so I can get it under the seat. So in the other bag, this is a little canvas bag that we got off of Amazon. So this sort of goes in combination with the tool roll. So we've got the 1/4" drive sockets to go with the socket wrench. It's just an adapter for it. It also goes with the wrench extender that's in the toolkit. This is a Vessel Gsp Screwdriver. It's for Japanese. It's like a Phillips, but it's not. Focus. For Japanese Phillips type fittings, excellent screwdrivers. Small repair kit. Turn that down just a touch. In here, it's a repair kit for cable repair kit, emergency cable, so you can make up your clutch cables to snap. You can make up a cable. Half decent set of needle nose pliers, torch. This one is not the greatest of torches, but some extra. Tire gauge, a couple of crocodile clips. It's actually it's made a little test light. There's a bulb there and a couple of clips. Just like that. A couple of metal cable ties. Okay, and I've also got over the bike. I've also got cable ties secreted on the bike. Yeah, quite a lot of stuff. But, and then the last thing I'll just show you in the front, behind I've got some cloths. I've got some gloves here. In here we have a full set of light bulbs, gloves, cloths, gloves, lots of gloves. It's mostly gloves in there. Yeah, just gloves. That's it for today, guys. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up or down, and comment and subscribe.